Amber, what's out there?
Gotta go investigate. Daddy's gonna go investigate.
Go check sir, what's over there, Amber.
He's not gonna go investigate.
Look at that tail go. We're gonna tip them if you don't sit down.
He says, I gotta go investigate.
Look at the tail. Oh, Amber, you're so cute. Cole's coming to check too. Cole, where are they going? I don't know. They're going to see what's over there. Maybe a beaver? No. Muskrat, Amber? What's there, Amber?
Well, hello, Cole.
Cole's getting on too.
Stop!
Oh, there goes Amber.
I can't go. Mommy, help!
Careful of his old man legs.
Mommy, help!
You can do it, Jax. You can do it. Amber, did you find what you were looking for? Should have stayed on with Cole. I need a double picture, Daddy, with you and Ember and Cole.
We've got nothing.
No, nothing. Oh, darn. It's our first nice day, and we've almost been here a week. Not quite.
It's a good
5 days. Hi, Coley.
How do you like my first mate?
He is very handsome looking.
Oh, he's
He gives lots of kisses.